All right, the drink we're about to make is a Club Tropix. First thing we'll do is add some ice and measure out 1 shot of coconut rum. And follow that up with 1 shot of blue curacao. Come on, blue curacao. There we go. Next, we'll do a half a shot of triple sec. And we'll do a dash of grenadine and some pineapple juice. Do about a shot of pineapple juice. And also about a shot of 7-Up or any lemon lime soda that you'd like to use. And let's go ahead and stir this up real well. There we go. Get it all blended together. And this is going to be a great drink to enjoy while in the tropics and maybe at a club in the tropics. Get your glass ready and pour it in. And you're going to garnish this with a cherry and an umbrella. And give it a straw. And there you go. Bottoms up.